If you think you're overpaying on property taxes in Cook County, timing is everything. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step timeline of the property tax appeal process, so you know exactly what to do and when. Step 1. Review your assessment notice. Every year, the Cook County Assessor's Office reassesses properties on a township rotation. You'll receive a notice sometime between January and July, depending on where your property is located. Don't ignore it. This is your first chance to check if your assessed value is accurate. Step 2. Decide whether to appeal. Take a closer look at your notice. Is your home assessed higher than similar properties in your neighborhood? Did the notice include incorrect information like the wrong square footage or condition? If so, you may have a solid case for appeal. Step 3. File your appeal with the assessor's office. You have just 30 days from the date on your notice to submit your appeal. You can file online, by mail, or in person, but don't wait. Gather strong evidence like comparable assessments, sales data, or even photos of defects. The more documentation, the better. Step 4. Wait for the assessor's decision. Once filed, the assessor's office takes between 4 and 12 weeks to review your case. If your appeal is approved, great, your assessment goes down. If it's denied, don't worry. You still have another opportunity to challenge it. Step 5. Appeal to the Cook County Board of Review. The Board of Review is independent from the assessor's office. They offer a second look at your case. You can file here if your initial appeal is denied. The window to submit is usually between August and November, depending on your township. This is your second chance to get a fair assessment. Step 6. Wait for the board's decision. Once you file with the Board of Review, expect to hear back in 4 to 8 weeks. If they approve your appeal, your new, lower INC assessment will be used to calculate your next tax bill. If they deny it, you still have one more option. Step 7. Receive your updated tax bill. The new assessment will show up on your second installment property tax bill for the following year. If you already paid based on the old higher assessment, you may be eligible for a refund. Bonus tip. If the Board of Review denies your case, you can escalate your appeal to the Illinois Property Tax Appeal Board, or even the Cook County Circuit Court. So don't give up. Final thoughts. The property tax appeal process may feel complicated, but if your home is overassessed, it's worth the effort. Stay on top of your deadlines, keep your documents organized, and don't hesitate to get professional help if you need it. Need help with your appeal? The Law Office of John Zapala specializes in Cook County property tax appeals. Call 312-890-1424 or visit cookcountypropertytaxchallenge.com to get started.